Hello po mga kaibigan. Ito po si Tolits. Tayo po ay papunta sa Portos. Bibili po tayo ng mga cheese roll na pinagbilin po sa atin ng aking minamahal sa Pilipinas. Yan po, narinig nyo po. Ito pong Portos na ito na nasa Downey, California ay maglalakbay ng 7,000 milya papunta po sa Pilipinas. Kaya ito po ang simula ng kanyang paglalakbay.
Porto's Bakery is a renowned family-owned bakery and cafe known for its Cuban pastries and cakes. The cheese rolls at Porto's are a signature item, beloved by patrons for their flaky golden pastry and rich, creamy cheese filling. These pastries are meticulously crafted, offering a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. The outer layer is light and crisp, while the inside reveals a melt-in-your-mouth cheese center. So sa mga hindi pa po nakakatikim, imagine parang Spanish bread na crispy ang labas at may keso sa loob. Ganun.
Again, this is Tolits from Pasyal TV. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get updated on our future videos. Alright? Yan po ang Portos. Sa may Downey, California po ito. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Hi, I'd like to order 2 dozen cheese rolls, but I want to know how big is the box?
Perfect. The box, I'll show you it.
Yeah, how many would technically fit in that one?
12.
12?
Fits in here, yeah.
Okay, let's just have 12 then.
So you suggest 2 dozen cheese rolls?
Yeah, 1 dozen. 1 dozen.
Anything else?
That's gonna be it.
Just 2 dozen cheese
1
rolls.
dozen cheese rolls.
It's going to be 759. Would that be cash or card?
Card.
Did you enter that one?
You have a safe trip.
Thank you very much. Happy New Year.
Nakamit ko na rin sa wakas ang aking sinadya at ngayon ay oras na upang siguraduhin ang kaligtasan ng paglalakbay ng kahon na ito. I decided to just put it in an old Amazon Prime box with a generous amount of padding bago ilagay sa loob ng Portos plastic bag. And after all that, we head to the airport for our flight back to the Philippines. As I meander through the vast, bustling corridors of the LAX, I can't help but marvel at the symphony of organized chaos. Here, the world converges in a cacophony of rolling suitcases and distant, echoing announcements. Each traveler is a solitary planet in their own right, orbiting through this cosmic airport galaxy. Ensuring that my precious cargo is intact and unspoiled, I continue trudging the twists and turns of this concrete jungle, casually wading my eyes along the sea of faces. As I finally approach my gate, the final threshold before the sky beckons, I can't help but smile at this vibrant microcosm of humanity. LAX, you are not just a gateway to destinations, but a destination in yourself, a place where stories intersect, if only for the briefest of moments, before taking to the skies once more. While we fly thousands of miles above the endless ocean of the Pacific, I strongly fought the urge to open the box of cheese rolls and sample one piece. Kasi alam ko na pag tumikim ako ng isa, may kasunod na isa pa, at isa pa, hanggang ang isang dosena ay magkikalahating dosena, or worse. But as the plane descends into the humid Serengeti of Manila, ako ay napunan ng damdamin ng pagwawagi dahil naiuwi ko na din ang pasalubong na madiin na pinagbili ng aking irog. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the cheese rolls from Portos have traveled more than 7,000 miles intact and ready for us to devour.